Hello, and today I'm just going to show you guys a real quick and easy way to just work Excel. There's nothing too much, more so for like the Army, um, but I've sent a lot of products out and just want to make sure that everyone knows how to utilize them. So this is just like a MedPros pull for like a company, basically just sorting it just real easily. So last vision date, we're going to sort oldest to newest for this one, because these ones, if we look at the date, this one is at least a year out from today being the 22nd of April 2024. So this guy would show up red, but it's basically just sorting everything. You see all these are in order. It makes it real easy for tracking it. So let's go to another tab. This one. So this one has a few more. So today being the 22nd of April, this guy all the way down to here would all be overdue. And if you're on the ForceCom metric for deployment, you have to go 3 months out, because this projects 15 months out. So probably around here, 7/22 is kind of where we'd stop it. But all this would be overdue for ForceCom. So if I needed to send out the dental names and the ranks, all right. Actually, there's a few ways you can do this. Okay. Let me go here. There you go. All right. So one way to do it is just to delete these, and then copy. Sort these again. Copy all of these down to 3 months out. So again, 22nd of April, go down to 7/22/24. But since the next one's 8/18, these are all overdue. So these are my top priorities. And kind of just attach this to an email. Excel lets you take like screenshots essentially. So all these people know by their name and their rank and their due date. And if you keep the title or header, they'll know exactly what needs to get done. Another way we can do it is I'll undelete all these, and we can let's take hearing, since this is a little bit older too. So last hearing date be all the way to here, because it's only 12 months out. So get all these. Oops. I'll have to name, kind of copy and paste. So this way is a little bit more time consuming, but what you shouldn't do is make sure you get all that you want to get. So I'm just showing you all the values, and I'm just going to delete some of these columns and then just take the ones that I want, because these ones are all sorted. These keep all the names in order. And then what I would do from here is copy and paste this into like an Outlook email to send out. Or you can just take screenshots. If you wanted to, I'll show you guys this. If you guys just wanted to not delete anything and keep all the vision, or keep all the values on, you can hide these. And I'll show you guys. You can hit the Windows button, the Shift key, and the letter S, and then you can use the snippet tool, and then you can snip exactly what you want. So this is hearing, so it's only a year. So I'm gonna take all this like this, and then now it is a screenshot. Let's see if it appears here. So yeah, now I have a screenshot of something that I can send in the email. So to get that, again, it's Shift plus the Windows key plus the letter S, and that's how you get a screenshot like this. I'm just showing you different types of ways, but I want to make sure that everyone's on the same page and that we are able to be efficient. If you guys have any other questions, I can actually come to your offices and show you guys how to do things. But other than that, I'll see you.